raining. It's very rainy, cold. Yippee! Wee! Yay! So we have left the house and it's raining. Sad. But we will go for a walk and do some shops. We are in Primark, sadly, but there's literally nobody. So if you like Primark, the 1st of January is the day to go. It's cold. Disappointment. We just dropped our shopping off at the flat and now we're going for a coffee. We wanted to go to the Colombian, but it's closed. So now we're going to try and find a coffee shop that is open. Hello! I got a milk hot chocolate and Tom has a latte. Yippee! This used to be under construction because it got burned down and it has been under construction for like more than a year. And now it's open again! Exciting! Yeah. I would give my hot chocolate from Society Cafe a 7 out of 10, I think. It's made with real chocolate, which is really nice, but it was £4, I think, which is not the worst, but still. But it was quite nice. This is Cosy, a coffee shop we all love, and unfortunately they closed down. I don't know why. It was very sudden. Oh yeah, wow, they're breaking it down. It's really sad because it was a really nice coffee shop with nice coffee, and nice area, nice food. So yeah, it was really sad. When I was in uni, I used to live there. Hello, silly bird. Hello, Schwannels. I hope they found Larry. We finished our shopping in Sainsbury's and going home now. Whee! It's very rainy today. We are back home, so I thought it might be nice if I do a Primark haul. So, we bought a few bits and bobs. Some underwear. Tom bought this really nice, I don't want it, jumper. It has like the printing on there. He also bought a light blue hoodie. I saw this and I just had to get it. It was on clearance, so £6. It's a green hoodie with Winnie the Pooh on it. Yay! Look at it. It's so perfect. Ta-da! I love it so much. It has like little pockets here. Hood. I love it. So yeah, that's everything we got in Primark. After that we went for a coffee, then we went to Sainsbury's to do some shopping for tonight's food. In total we walked about 6 kilometers and 800 meters or something. So not too bad. It was a good 1st of January New Year's walk. I'm really bad at this. We need a poop. We need a poop. Hello. We're having a lazy dinner, so pizza! Whilst I am preparing the pizzas to go in the oven, I thought I could give a little bit more information about who I am and why I'm making these silly videos. My name is Kato. I am 23 years old, turning 24 this month. I live in the UK with my boyfriend, and I just recently started a full-time job. I just thought it might be nice to take you along on my journey to try. No, to like show you what it's like as a Belgian person, because I'm from Belgium originally, to live abroad and just take you along on my journey. And I think it will be nice for my family and friends to see these videos, to follow along. The pizzas are on the baking trays and the oven is preheated, so let's pop them in. Yippee!
A few moments later.
Hello, it's 11 p.m. at this point, so I'm going to bed because I have work tomorrow. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!